Okay guys, today is April 18th, 2016, and I built this top bar hive last year, and I haven't found a swarm to put in it until today. And I'm going to put my swarm in there. They're in that little box there. I caught those at my mom's. They were actually about 5 feet high on a telephone pole, so it was an easy catch. So what I've done, the top bar frame is built. I've got my frames right here. I'm going to add some food down here, so actually it's just honey. I'm going to dump the bees in, and then I'm going to cover them with a screen, and I'll spray them with a little sugar water to get them calm. And then I will add my top bar frames and cover it up. So, and I'm accompanied by my beautiful wife Terry and Butter. Wow. Hey Butter. Okay, here we go. I'm going to spray a little sugar water in there. I've got my honey in a little pan, just a little bit at the bottom there. Okay. So I've just sprayed them with a little sugar water. They're liking that. They're lapping it up. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and put my frames in. Slide this back a little bit at a time. Okay, the bees are in the box. I got the frames, the little top bars on, and now comes the cover. A couple pieces of iron to hold this down so it doesn't blow off. And that is a done deal. It's that simple. So the lesson is, when you come across a swarm, don't run out and kill them, because they're not aggressive at all. In fact, I could probably have done this with my bee suit off and not gotten a stung. I just want to make sure. But we know we've got the queen in there. The bees are trying to go in there. I've gave them some honey, gave them some sugar water. Now hopefully, when I come back a little bit later on, they'll all be in the hive doing their thing. Thanks for watching.